Hello, sir. This is all about my ninth experiment. It is about creating a student info and setting on to the context menu. So here in the main activity, what I have done is like I have used certain variables. Like for list view, I have given a list name Bruce Wine. I have used strings, shared preferences, button, and all those things. Then I have first of all I have instantiated the list view and given it to the find view by ID. Then I have used an array list which shows an array of the list. Then I have used an array adapter to display all those lists and have get to enter and give it to the set adapter method. I have used a shared preference which has two variables in it, like my file and mode for it, mode underscore private. I have given to editor method which edits it. I have put certain strings by default, like for register number, one name, department, name of the mentor, and the phone number of a particular person. And for the list view button over there, I have given a set on item click listener method which selects its particular position, and accordingly it gives the shared preference, and it checks whether if the name is Bruce Wayne, it performs certain actions, and it if not, if the ID is -1, like for a particular list we have given a name like Bruce Wayne, if the name is like that, that would go to the display activity. So here we see in the display activity is like we have given certain variables like ID, name, department, mentor, contact number, and all those things. These all are concatenated one after the other and given to a variable s, and it is further provided to the set text method. That's what happens in the display method. So again, in the main activity we see down, we use the list view. We see whether the ID is the same which we have got into, and then we add certain items and we perform and we give positions for it, and select item is used for it. Then further we see that when we right click the long press the particular name, we get certain options. First option is the remove option. So through this we can able to remove certain name of the person, name of the data, and all those things. So we use the remove method over here. We can remove any of the options over there, and finally can commit it, which cannot be changed further. So the second option over there would be edit, by which we may be able to edit the particular person's any of the details which may decide to. Where the code for the edit is given in the edit add activity. So in the edit add activity, we see that all the edited values are got into these variables, and then it is checked whether every variables are properly filled or not. If not filled, then it gives a toast name that please fill all the fields to proceed. Then all the edited fields are put into the put string method and finally committed, and toast is sent that data have been successfully submitted. And then furtherly, the last option is display, which displays all the particular concatenated value, and it would be given. Then it has further on create option menu, which inflates all the menu its particular buttons such as add to contacts, add to shortlist, and all those things. So here it is all, if we click onto the first option, then it will go to the add, and accordingly the activity would be called out and it would return a true. Second option is all about true sorting of the particular names according to their value, or alphabetically order, we can sort it out. And next is the exit button, that we can exit from the particular app. And then we have a non-receive method through which we can be added or changed and all those things. So this is how the app works. So I have initially gave a name over here, Bruce Wayne. So here what happens is I give a right click and we have three options like add student, sort, exit. So I give on to the first option, add student. So here we get certain fields like register number, name, department, mentor, contact number. I try to fill all those things. I give the register number as 31, 34, name as Shreya, department as CS, mentor as X, and contact number as some random contact number. So this is how I fill all the details over here, and then I give the save button. So it's shown that data have been successfully submitted. So when we go back, we can see that there is a name Shreya. So further, when we long press any of the option, we can able to edit it. So while editing, if I want to edit, like for Bruce, I wanted to edit his mentor name. Suppose here his mentor was a Mr. H. So I would like to edit it to G. Suppose for Bruce, the mentor was H, I want to edit it to G. So I would edit it and would give a save. So here the data would be submitted successfully. And then for the next option, if I want to remove this Bruce, if I want to remove this Bruce, I would be removed and only Shreya would be left out. So that's how the ninth experiment works. Thank you for watching.